Chapter 10, Test, page 1. Choose the correct answer. 1. The first stop on a bus route is 4 miles from school. How many yards are in 4 miles? A. 48 yards. B. 144 yards. C. 7,040 yards. Or D. 21,120 yards. Number 2. Students picked 576 ounces of apples to make apple cider. How many pounds of apples did they pick? A. 16 pounds. B. 36 pounds. C. 48 pounds. Or D. 9,216 pounds. Number 3. Ed bought 3 liters of water, 2,750 milliliters of sports drink, and 2.25 liters of juice. Which statement is true? A. Ed bought 50 milliliters more sports drink than juice. B. Ed bought 1.25 liters more water than juice. C. Ed bought 75 milliliters more water than juice. Or D. Ed bought 250 milliliters more water than sports drink. Number 4. The high school football game started at 7:15 p.m. and ended at 10:44 p.m. How long did the game last? A. 3 hours and 29 minutes. B. 3 hours and 9 minutes. C. 2 hours and 29 minutes. Or D. 2 hours and 9 minutes. Chapter 10, Test, page 2. Number 5. Brian filled 72 glasses with apple juice for a school party. If each glass holds 1 cup of juice, how many quarts of apple juice did Brian use? A. 9 quarts. B. 18 quarts. C. 36 quarts. Or D. 288 quarts. Number 6. At the bulk food store, Stacy bought 7 pounds of nuts. She used 8 ounces of nuts in a recipe and then put the rest of the nuts into small bags to use for snacks. If each small bag contains 4 ounces of nuts, how many small bags of nuts did Stacy make? A. 26. B. 24. C. 19. Or D. 15. Number 7. When it is full, a fish tank holds 15 gallons of water. Jordan is using a 1-pint container to fill the fish tank. How many 1-pint containers of water will Jordan need to fill the fish tank? A. 30. B. 60. C. 90. Or D. 120. Number 8. Betsy spent 26 days traveling to Europe. How many weeks and days did Betsy travel in Europe? A. 2 weeks and 6 days. B. 3 weeks and 5 days. C. 4 weeks and 2 days. Or D. 5 weeks and 1 day. Chapter 10, Test, page 3. Number 9. Anoki brought 36 yards of fabric to make costumes for the school play. What is that length in inches? A, 3 inches, B, 12 inches, C, 108 inches, or D, 1,296 inches. Number 10. Kiko brought 3 pounds of fruit salad. How many ounces of fruit salad did Kiko buy? A, 16 ounces, B, 32 ounces, C, 36 ounces, or D, 48 ounces. Number 11. Keisha was walking around a track that is 400 yards long. She has walked around the track 5 times so far. How many more yards does she need to walk around the track to complete 2 miles? A, 1,520 yards, B, 3,120 yards, C, 3,280 yards, or D, 8,560 yards. Number 12. Roland's suitcase has a mass of 2,500 decagrams. How many kilograms is his suitcase? A, 0.25 kilograms, B, 2.5 kilograms, C, 25 kilograms, or D, 250 kilograms. Chapter 10, Test, page 4. Number 13. Mrs. Davis has 64 bottles of water. If each bottle holds 1 pint of water, how many gallons of water does Mrs. Davis have? A, 4 gallons, B, 6 gallons, C, 8 gallons, or D, 32 gallons. Number 14. Devin uses 64 inches of ribbon to make 1 bow. How many yards of ribbon does Devin need to make 9 bows? A, 8 yards, B, 16 yards, C, 24 yards, or D, 48 yards. Number 15. Students arrived at the Science Museum at 1:15 p.m. They stayed at the museum for 2 hours and 51 minutes. What time did the students leave the museum? A, 3:06 p.m., B, 4:00 p.m., C, 4:06 p.m., or D, 4:44 p.m. Number 16. Sarah is 53 inches tall. Sarah's brother Luke is 4 inches taller than she is. What is Luke's height in feet and inches? A, 4 feet 7 inches, B, 4 feet 9 inches, C, 5 feet 7 inches, or D, 5 feet 8 inches. Chapter 10, Test, page 5. Number 17. A female elephant can weigh up to 8,000 pounds. How many tons is 8,000 pounds? A, 2 tons, B, 3 tons, C, 4 tons, or D, 8 tons.